Hello students, this is Harishwar. I am from IIT Roorkee. I have been associated with askIITians for the past 5 years as Associate Consultant in-house expert in chemistry. Today's session will be dedicated to thermodynamics with thermochemistry, one of the most important topic for all the competitive engineering and medical examinations. I have divided this topic into 20 parts so that you can understand the topics in effective and efficient way. So let's begin with our first topic. Hi friends, thermodynamics with thermochemistry, one of the most important topic for all the competitive examinations. Introduction. What is thermodynamics? The word thermodynamics itself says that there is flow of heat. How? Thermo means heat, dynamics means flow. So thermodynamics means flow of heat. And what thermodynamics deals with? It deals with energy changes. What type of energy? It might be chemical energy, it might be mechanical energy, it might be electrical energy, it might be kinetic energy, and it might also be nuclear energy. So all the energy changes accompanying all types of physical and chemical processes. So thermodynamics, it helps to deal all the physical and chemical processes and the energy changes involved in them. The important point to be remembered here is, friends, thermodynamics is not concerned about how and what rate these energy transformations are carried out. Here you understood that there are certain energy transformations taking place, right? So the thermodynamics is not concerned about the rate of these processes or rate of these transformations carried out, right? It is only dependent on initial and final states of the system which is undergoing the change. It is not dependent on the rate at which these transformations, these energy transformations, right, these energy transformations taking place. And another important point is, friends, is that thermodynamics is based on two generalizations, which are first law and second law of thermodynamics. So the whole concept of thermodynamics can be understood with the first law of thermodynamics and second law of thermodynamics. So this is the brief introduction to thermodynamics. In our next part, we will be learning some basic concepts of thermodynamics. So stay tuned.